Hello and welcome to another DIYDan video. In today's video I'm going to call this series the quick how-tos. No BS, we get straight to the point. And today's topic of discussion is how to install a universal joint CV axle clamp. Now these are just generic clamps that I purchased off Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description. And these things are very easy to install as long as you have the right tool. So let me just show you how you do it. So there's a little groove on the boot itself that these things rest in. And then they've got little spikes that stick out of them. And you just get it as close as you can. You want to make it as tight as you possibly can. And get them right in there as good as you can. Once you get the clamp locked into place, then you use the special tool to tighten it. You can't tighten the clamp without the special tool, so I highly recommend you spend a few dollars to purchase the tool so you can do the job the right way. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.